Hi, City Slickers. Today I would like to read a book with you called Animals Born Alive and Well, and it is written and illustrated by Ruth Heller. Winter, spring, summer, fall, a hare's hair changes with them all, and these are snowshoe hares, and depending on the season, their fur is a different color, and that is so that the hare can blend into its surroundings and be camouflaged and protected by predators who may want to eat it. Animals born alive and well. Mammals are animals with fur or hair who nurse their young and breathe fresh air. They don't lay eggs, except these two. These are the only two who do, the spiny anteater and the duck-billed platypus. They don't lay eggs, as I have said. They're born alive and well instead. Sometimes a mammal's hair is scant, which means it doesn't have very much of it, as on the thick-skinned elephant, and these are African elephants. See these long tusks here? But here's a pair with hair, the Pekingese and the Yorkshire Terrier. They're certainly furry friends. And here are lots with stripes and spots, like the okapi, zebra, the ring-tailed lemur. Ooh, we have a tiger camouflaged here, a giraffe, a cloud leopard, a leopard. And these have scales and spikes like nails, but all of them are mammals. So this is a pangolin, and we read about Pengy the pangolin in the City Slicker class this year. The 3-banded armadillo, the 9-banded armadillo, and this is a very spiky porcupine. Look at those quills. So are camels, and like all the others, they are nourished by their mothers. And these are dromedaries, which means they have only one hump on their backs. Mammals wild, and we have a gazelle, stout, and a deer. Mammals tame, all do more or less the same. Look, here's a mommy cat and her baby kittens right here. Marsupials are different, but they are mammals too. When they are very, very small, into their mother's pouch they crawl and grow just like this kangaroo. Remember, a baby kangaroo is called a joey. Koalas are marsupials too. Mammals all breathe air, you understand. This isn't hard for those on land, or even those found underground. This is a shrew mole under the ground. Let's go back and see what these are. We have a moose, a mandrill, a panda, bighorn sheep, a rhinoceros right here. I'm going to move my face up. A guinea pig, an aardvark, a kangaroo rat, a weasel, a hare, a squirrel, a fallow deer, bison, wild goat, red fox, hippopotamus, giant anteater, and the prairie dog. Or those who fly. And here we have some bats. And remember, bats are mammals. Even though they have wings, they're not birds. Or climb high. Here we have some mammals who like to climb. The gibbon, tarsier, marmoset, baboon, spider monkey, gibbon, sloth, and the bush baby. But mammals living in the sea have to surface frequently because remember, mammals like these have lungs instead of gills, so they have to come out of the water to breathe in fresh air sometime. Here's a porpoise, a sea otter, a dolphin, a sperm whale, a walrus hiding behind me, seal, a narwhal, and a manatee. The porpoise, whale, and manatee have their babies in the sea. It's the baby porpoise, the baby humpback whale, and the baby manatee. The walrus, seal, and otter prefer to leave the water, and they have their babies on the land. These are prehistoric, but they were mammals too. Their names are very long indeed and may be very hard to read. So actually, I'm not going to read these right now, but they have some very long, unusual names. Maybe if you read this sometime with your mom or dad, you can take some time to figure out how to pronounce these fun words. The largest mammal is the blue whale, right here. The smallest is the shrew. The best of all are people, just like me or you. All of us are mammals. See all the people from all over the world. There's no more to discuss. Everyone who's born alive is viviparous. And here we have some more mammals, more viviparous animals. Cheetah, a tapir, lion, hedgehog, pig, sheep, horse. Winter, spring, summer, fall, a hare's hair changes with them all. And here we're back to that snowshoe hare again. Well, that's it, City Slickers. I hope you enjoyed reading this book with me, and I hope maybe you learned a little something about mammals. See you next time.